Hello grade 5. In this video today we would like to share and show you a website which was prepared to help you learn and study the weekly spelling / vocabulary words for your ELA class. Alright, so the web address is up here. I'm going to highlight it once. Okay, so it's this highlighted part here. So it's Quizlet.com/INTLTCHRMRYOO. Okay, so if you access that web address, okay, it will take you to this website which you see in front of the screen right now. Okay, and over here at the bottom it says spelling list 1, and then next spelling list 2, and at the very top of this list it says spelling list 3. So when you click, you can click, okay, each spelling list, and once you click it, it will show you the spelling list, the words in that spelling list. Okay, well, why don't we look at this week's spelling list then? Okay, so I'll click spelling list 3, and here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 words. Okay, so you see the words on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side those are the definitions. Okay, so right now you just see the list of the words and the definitions, and what you can do here on this page is when you actually click on the word, it'll actually read it for you, so you can check the pronunciation here. So for example, let me click on this word here. Okay, let's listen.
Breakthrough. Breakthrough.
Okay, yes, the speed is a little bit fast, but you read this word here, breakthrough. 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 Okay, let's try another one.
Close knit. Close knit.
So this one here, you read that close knit. Close knit. Close knit. Okay, and like I said earlier, on the right hand side of the word you see the definition, and you can actually click on the definition too, and it will read the definition out loud for you. So let's try this one here. The word is
toss. Toss.
So the word is toss, and the definition is
to throw something. To throw something.
To throw something. Okay, so this page here is very simple. So again, it just gives you the list of the words for this week's spelling or vocabulary, and then it'll also tell us the definition. Now when you look up here, okay, up here where I'm moving the cursor right now, okay, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different options. I guess there are 6 different options here, and each of them are like mini activities you can do in relation to the weekly spelling or vocabulary list. Okay, so I just want to show you how each of these options kind of work. Okay, so let's start here, because it kind of says in this small letter here, start here. So flashcards. So I'm going to click on flashcards. What we see here, first, the initial setting, the original setting is you see the word, okay, and you want to try to guess the meaning. Okay, so you're kind of practicing the definition here, and it says down here, okay, where I'm kind of moving the cursor here, it says click to flip. So first you see the word, and then you try to, in your head, or you can actually say it out loud, but you can try to answer the definition, and then you can click on this card. Just click anywhere on this card, and then the card will flip, and then it'll actually show us the definition. So ideal. Okay, I think the definition for ideal is something like best. Okay, I think it was something like best. So like, let's say an ideal, let's see, car for me is a, let's see, is a, maybe a dark blue or red 4WD. Okay, the best car for me, okay, in other words, is a dark blue or red 4WD. Okay, so ideal means best. Well, let's click somewhere on the card. So I'll click right here, and so it was perfect. So Mr. Yu was a little bit wrong, okay, but I think best and perfect is pretty close enough. But you were able to see an example of how you might be able to use this activity here to kind of practice remembering or understanding the definition of words. Now, I'm going to click again. So initially this is what we saw, right? First, this is what we saw. Now, over here on the right hand side, you can actually change the setting. Okay, so for example, if you look at this part here called start with, term means the word. Term means the word. And definition obviously means the definition. So if I click on definition, it'll actually show you the definition first. Okay, and then, so here's the definition. Definition is perfect. And then you're trying to answer what the original word is regarding this definition. Alright, so again, if you click term, it'll give you the term or the original word. If you click on definition, it'll give you the definition. So you can change the setting here to kind of customize however you want to learn. Okay, so, and then when you want to go to the next card, you just click on the arrow button down here. So I want to go next. So here we go. So I think here we see the definition because if you look over here on the right hand side, definition is highlighted. So you could, again, click term, and then it'll start with the term, and then next, 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 next. Okay? So this was the flashcard activity. Okay, and here at the top, okay, if you can see my cursor moving, there are 5 other options or activities you can do to help you yourself learn the spelling words, weekly spelling words. So let's go to learn next. Okay, here we see the definition again over here. Okay, that's the definition, and then you want to type in the correct word for that definition. So let's read the definition together. A strong request for something, to ask something very strongly. I think the word was demand. Okay, and then to check the answer, just click answer. Ding. Yes, I was correct. Okay, I was correct. Now it says press any key to continue, so just press any key on your keyboard, and then it will actually go to the next question. So here we go. Now, next question: to join 2 or more things or groups together to form a single one. I think the word was combine. Okay, I think it's combine. So I'm gonna answer this. Yes, I got it correct again. So you get the point, right? So it'll tell you the definition, and there's a part here where you will type the correct word, and then you answer, and then you see if you got it right or wrong. Okay. Alright, let's go to the next option, speller. Okay, here you're going to actually...
Ideal.
Did you guys hear that? Okay, so for speller, the computer will actually say the word for you. Okay, so you want to listen to the word, and then you want to type the word and using its correct spelling. In case you missed it, there is a button here where it says replay audio. If you click on that, it will say the word again, and you can even change the speed of the word. So right now it's set to speak turn fast. Okay, but if you want to, you can change the speed over here using this choice. You have 5 choice here. Okay, now let's replay the audio.
Ideal.
Ideal. So ideal is spelled I-D-E-A-L. Okay, and then click enter on your keyboard. Click enter on your keyboard when you are confident that you have the correct answer.
Breakthrough.
I got it correct. Okay, I think when you get it correct, you see these 2 circles here. Okay, you'll see it changing colors into green. Okay, you'll see one of the circles change color to green, and I think if you get it wrong, it'll change to red. Well, let's check. Okay, so I'm gonna replay the audio again because I didn't hear the word.
Breakthrough.
Breakthrough. Well, let me misspell the word so we know what happens when you misspell it. So breakthrough. Maybe I might spell it like this, or maybe someone might spell it like this. Breakthrough. Okay, and then I'm gonna click enter.
B-R-E-A-K-T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Breakthrough.
So it actually fixes the spelling for you, and then it says try again for practice. So it was B-R-E-A-K-T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Breakthrough. And I'll click enter.
Unfamiliar.
Okay, and it'll actually it'll move on to the next word. So here you can practice spelling again. Okay. Next we have test. So let's click on test. So here it actually generates a 10 question test for you. Okay, you can actually change the setting for this test over here. Okay, so question types, I think originally there are written, so number 1 to 4 at the top is a written section because you have to actually write the word. And then multiple choice, there are 3 multiple choice questions. Okay, so it again gives you the definition first, right? These are the definitions, and you have to choose the correct word that that fits with the definition, with the given definition. And then there's the true or false at the very bottom, where you have to answer whether the word and the definition matches. Okay, if it does match, you click true. If it doesn't match, you click false. You could also tick here, okay, matching. Okay, and then you click reconfigure. You have to click reconfigure. Okay, and then here it added the matching questions. So you have 3 choice A, B, C. Okay, with the definitions, and then you want to match the definition with the correct word over here. So you'll be typing A, B, or C in these boxes. Okay, you can also change whether you want the definition given in the question, or whether you want the word or the term given in the question. Okay, so you can change that over here in the start with section. I think it's okay to have the definition as the preset thing, okay, because I think that will help you actually learn the words. But I think changing these settings will kind of help you learn both the word itself and then the definition. So again, you can customize this to fit your own learning, and that's one reason why I love this program. I love this website a lot. Well, actually, time is kind of running, So I'm gonna make another video to finish what I wanted to show.